kid is like 12. Yo fui de Cochabamba.
After living in Cochabamba for 1.5 years, I'm finally leaving for now. I've had such an amazing time here. Even though I might sometimes talk badly about Bolivia, I absolutely love it. First trip from Cochabamba to Pojo.
It is a lovely day to be starting this trip.
If you like this type of content, give me a follow. If you want to ask questions, there's a link in the description.
Tons. I will.
Anyway, enjoy the video.
Look at this. How lovely. This is a detour for if you have a motorcycle. Motorcycles don't pay a thing. Santa Cruz. Buenas. Hola. Santa Cruz está ahí. Sí, gracias.
I really don't like Sacaba.
I don't know, man, this road is unasphalted. I'm gonna check if I'm going the right way. Dude, I knew I wasn't going the right way. Let's get this bike. Now we're back. So you can see we're climbing in altitude a lot. Damn, you can feel it definitely getting colder.
This is something that you see in Bolivia a lot. If you go more to the countryside, you can really see the poverty of the country. About a year ago, I went to this place when they had the bloqueos, and those are the political protests. It was a really bad experience. I ended up getting beat a bit. I was threatened a lot. Politically, Bolivia can be a bit of a mess.
It is getting a bit cold, and I need to go to the bathroom, so I'm gonna look for a place to stop.
Everything's good.
Look at this. Man, amazing place to stay for a bit. My AirPods in, listening to music. Once I get a bit more comfortable during the travels, I'll listen to some music on the way.
It looks like bad weather is coming.
It is quite cold, especially with the weather. I don't know what it's gonna do. I hope it's not gonna rain. It is very like small, but it covers like a lot of heat actually. It keeps your heat inside your body or like inside the jacket more. A video. That kid is like 12.
You can see a lot of smoke here, and I think it's for the sacrifice for La Pachamama. In Bolivia, they make a fire and it's sacred.
¿Hay lugar para comer aquí? ¿No hay? Ay, qué pena. Totaal niet schuw.
This is a reference to your crazy Dutch family.
Man, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna make a stop here. The thing is, yeah, because it's Semana Santa, there's no one on these roads, which is absolutely amazing for riding, but none of the restaurants are open as well, and I've eaten so little. Damn, I'm hungry. I hope there's gonna be something to eat, yeah, like a restaurant or something, because goddamn, I'm hungry. Whew, man. Oh wait, I completely forgot. Wait, yeah, I got this thing. I'm gonna show it, yeah. Oh, good. Eesh, that's a bit dirty, huh? Fuck. Let's put this in my mouth. This here, yeah. It's a green bag, and the green bag is notorious for having the coca leaves. And if you think coca leaves, you probably think of something else, like some things you maybe put in your and that one. but a lot of people actually do it, and it helps with the hunger, it helps with the altitude, helps with breathing, helps with energy staying awake. I'm gonna use it for the hunger right now because I'm so hungry. Goddamn.
Feel less hungry already. Damn it, it works like a charm. Let's go. 82 kilometers more. Is that America? Fuck yeah! Hola, señor. ¿Sabe si hay un lugar aquí donde puedo como un comedor? ¿Sí, abierto? Perfecto, gracias, amigo. Alright. Look at that, Rambo. Hola, me gustaría comer un poco de pollo. This is like the worst, but at least it's some food. Look at this. Anyway, I don't know if people here just don't like gringos, or if they're like not nice in general, but not friendly towards strangers. I don't know, man. It's something I've been noticing in Bolivia. I'm gonna answer some questions you guys have been asking me on the socials. So, let me do that. Bunch of this, a bunch of this. First question, why doesn't my crush like me? It's probably because you're trying too hard. How many days a week will I ride? I'd say about 2 to 3 days a week, because I'm working at the same time as well. ¿Por qué no venís a Santa Cruz? Why am I not going to Santa Cruz? I'm going there, I'm there in like 1 week. How many girls you banged? No sex before marriage. Do you need to be a good guy or a bad guy to get chicks? And what are you? I think I'm the last person you should ask for advice, but I don't know. I think being honest is important, and that's something I've learned from my previous relationships. You don't want to be too nice, you want to keep your distance, I'd say. Being too nice and wanting it too much really pushes the other away, and it's something I notice as well. When a girl's just too into me, it doesn't really attract me. I think being hard to get from both sides works a bit. It takes away the fun if you come away that easily. That sounds bad, but I think that's just the way it is. If you will do anything for the other person, there's no fun in it. You need to be able to give some gas back. In Dutch we call it tegengas. And if you have none of that, then it doesn't work. But it doesn't necessarily mean you're the bad guy. I think you can be a good guy while still being distant and playing the game of dating or whatever. It sucks. Sí, sí, obvio. Vamos.
Que te vaya bien. Misael.
Okay, skip.
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 Que te vaya bien. Buenas rutas.
Gracias. Nice guys. Wow. No conozco. Ay.
¿Parece venenoso,
Sí,
sí?
sí, creo que sí. Es lindo.
¿Verdad?
Ja. Sorry?
¿De qué país?
Yo soy de Holanda.
Holanda.
Yo soy, sí, sí, pero...
Países Bajos.
Países Bajos, sí. Buen día, buen viaje.
Ya.
Chao, chao. There you go. Okay, well, that's how to deal with him here. I'm not gonna say anything about it. I swear to God, I saw a documentary about it as well. About Bolivia, about the jungle. Snakes, something snakes in Bolivia. This is the way they treat the snakes here, always. They just kill them. It's more of them, like they think like, yeah, we're protecting the people that way. And they won't get bitten by the snake. Oh, wow. Awesome. to hunt. I'm gonna try my best, yeah? Let's go! Damn, look at this. It is definitely getting warmer because we've been going down. Are these pumpkins? Pretty sure they're pumpkins, yeah. So around these parts there are a lot of gas stations and they actually do have gasoline, which is a big problem in Bolivia. There was a time where there was no fuel at all, especially diesel. I think there's a little town. See it? Hola. Sí. Here, nothing too special. It's like €6 a night, which is insane. Insane, €6 a night. Okay, I'm gonna take a shower and freshen up. Let's see you in a bit. Sí, mi camaratito. Visual, sí, 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 lo suficiente. Dude, it's such a weird vibe, like walking here, being the only gringo. Like you're getting stared at so much, and especially with a camera, you know. So the apple juice is supposed to be really nice. Let me check it. It's just mocochinchi, which is like the best drink they have in Bolivia. That's maybe a true fly. First trip done. 4 hours. Hey, Perito. Colonel. Hello. Hey yo, hey yo. Okay. First trip done. 4 hours. Like in the end, my butt started to hurt maybe a bit, but it was really well. The road was beautiful and was really chill to ride. There was no traffic because of the Semana Santa. Perfect little pit stop before going to Samaipata. See you in the morning. Right, oops. Perfect. Good morning. Didn't sleep too well. I slept long enough, but I woke up a lot of times. I'm gonna chill a bit, play some guitar. There's a guitar here. Es como un poco de Jimi Hendrix, un poco de todo eso. Rock, blues rock. Ciao amigos, we are ready. Okay,